How to fix YouTube TV black screen. Welcome back to the channel. If you're experiencing a black screen while trying to watch YouTube TV, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I got you through some simple steps to fix this issue and get back to enjoying your favorite shows. Let's get started. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause playback issues, including a black screen. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, close the YouTube TV app completely and then reopen it. On most devices, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or accessing your app manager. This can refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of the YouTube TV app, so check your device's app store for any available updates. Keeping the app up to date can fix bugs that might be causing the black screen issue. If the problem persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, select Apps, find YouTube TV, and then choose Storage. Here you can clear the cache and data, and on other devices the process may vary, but look for similar options in your app settings. Ensure that your device is compatible with the YouTube TV application. Older devices may not support the latest version of the app, leading to playback issues. Refer to YouTube TV's official website for a list of supported devices. Finally, restart your streaming device or smart TV. A simple reboot can resolve many issues, including the black screen problem. Just power off your device, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. And that's it. You should now be able to fix the black screen issue on YouTube TV with one of these solutions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.